Skill-based cash games reward performance instead of random chance, so your speed, accuracy, and strategy have a bigger impact on the outcome than luck. By the end, you'll know 5 popular skill game apps, how each one works, and which type of player they're best suited for. The first app is Bubble Cash. Bubble Cash turns the classic bubble shooter into a competitive experience where players compete in score-based tournaments. Success depends on clearing bubbles efficiently, creating chain reactions, and avoiding unnecessary shots. If you already enjoy puzzle games, this is one of the easiest skill games to learn. The second app is Solitaire Cash. Solitaire Cash keeps the familiar rules of classic solitaire, while adding competitive matches against players with similar game conditions. Fast decisions and efficient card management usually matter more than simply finishing the deck. The third app is Blackout Bingo. Blackout Bingo combines bingo with quick pattern recognition and fast tapping. Every player receives different boards, but matches are designed around skill-based scoring rather than identical card layouts. Now let's look at 2 more popular options. The fourth app is Pool Payday. Pool Payday brings competitive pool matches to mobile devices. Knowing bank shots and controlling cue ball position can make a noticeable difference during higher-level games. Practice in non-competitive modes before entering tournaments if you're new to virtual pool. The fifth app is Dominoes Gold. Dominoes Gold adds competitive play to the traditional domino game. Winning depends on planning moves carefully, managing your remaining tiles, and adapting to your opponent's strategy throughout the match. Before entering any competition, spend time learning the game's mechanics. Most skill game apps include practice modes that let you improve without immediately joining competitive matches. Read the tournament rules carefully because available contests, entry requirements, and reward structures can differ from one app to another. Also verify that the app supports players in your location before creating an account, since availability may vary depending on regional regulations. The biggest takeaway is that Bubble Cash, Solitaire Cash, Blackout Bingo, Pool Payday, and Dominoes Gold all focus on different skills, instead of relying entirely on chance. Choosing the game that matches your strengths usually creates a better experience than chasing whichever app is currently the most popular. Your next step is to download one game that already matches a skill you enjoy. Spend time in practice mode and learn the controls before joining any competitive matches. If this guide helped you discover skill games that pay real cash, like the video and subscribe for more money app reviews, comparisons, and weekly updates.